I welcome you for this video. Myself, Dr. Satish Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I'm going to explain about K-means clustering algorithm. So this is the agenda for this presentation. So first let me see about the introduction to K-means clustering algorithm, the steps of algorithm and advantages, then drawbacks of this K-means clustering algorithm. So first we see about the K-means clustering algorithm. It is an unsupervised machine learning algorithm, and the main purpose of this algorithm is to solve the clustering issues or clustering problems that occur in the machine learning or the data science. It takes the unlabeled dataset as an input and it produces the different clusters. So the K plays the major role in this algorithm. K can be a predefined value. Before starting the algorithm, we should define the value for K. The K can be of any value. So you can give, if it is K equal to 2, then the total number of clusters to be created is 2. And if we give K equal to 3, the value 3 is assigned to K means, then the total number of clusters to be created is 3. And this K means clustering algorithm is one of the centroid based algorithm where each cluster is associated with the centroid, which means the total distance, the sum of distance between data point and their corresponding clusters has been reduced in this centroid based algorithm. So the input for this algorithm is the unlabeled data set, and it finally produces the K number of clusters. K is the predefined value. So the main task to be performed in this K-means clustering algorithm is the value for K. So that is a very important point in this algorithm, because based on the K value only the clusters will be formed. Number of clusters to be defined by the K value. So if we set the value K equal to 5, then the total number of clusters to be formed is 5 based on the centroid algorithm. And the second task is it assigns each data point to its closest K center. Already we have the K center. Based on that K center, the data point is associated with it, the nearby one. Look at this example. The left side we can see the unlabeled data. These are all the unlabeled data. There is no clusters to be formed. So after applying this K-means algorithm, you can see we have formed the centroid. So this into mark indicates the centroid, and we have grouped the nearby data. So these are all very nearby data. So all the nearby data are formed here. So here the K value is defined as 3 because there are 3 clusters. Each circle indicates the cluster. So 3 clusters has been formed here. So algorithm steps. So first step is to decide the value for K. What is the K value we're going to use in this algorithm? That only decide the number of clusters. That is the output. And then find the K points, the number of points to be added into one particular cluster. After that, each data points can be added into the closest of centroid. So centroid is from the K. Then calculate the variance and place the new centroid for each cluster. After that, repeat the third step, that is of adding the clusters into that data center. Finally, still any of the data point not covered, you just repeat the steps, otherwise the model is ready for execution. So what is the advantage of this K-means algorithm? It simply captures the insight that each data point in a cluster should be near to that center of that cluster, and it works best in the dataset that have the clusters that are roughly equal sized. So the clusters should be equal sized or shaped roughly regularly. Then we can use this K-means algorithm. And also, if we have the large number of variables, then K-means is the faster algorithm compared to hierarchical clustering. and it also has some drawbacks. So it is very difficult to predict or define the value for k. Also, the reason for it is based on the k value only, the output will get affected. So the impact on the output is based on the k value. So identifying or defining k value is very important in this k means algorithm, and the data order can get strong impact on the final output. So these are all about this k means clustering algorithm. Thank you.